There's something about classic dishes that never go out of style. To please the whole family, there's nothing like good homemade Italian meatballs. Legend has it that a Roman cook invented meatballs, but today, this convivial dish is found all over the world. There are countless ways to prepare them, and some recipes are a far cry from the original version. For purists who want to rediscover the flavors of yesteryear, let us be your guide. Start by cracking the eggs into a bowl. Add salt and pepper and add the ground meat, the Parmesan cheese, breadcrumbs, and chopped parsley. Chef's tip: add a little milk for even softer meatballs. Mix everything together by hand, then shape the meatballs. Simply take a little bit of the mixture and roll it into a ball between your palms. You are free to choose the size that suits you. Then set the meatballs aside on a plate. It's time to prepare the tomato sauce. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a saucepan. Sauté a finely chopped shallot. Season with salt and pepper. When the shallot becomes translucent, add the crushed tomatoes. Add the fresh basil and mix. Add the meatballs to the sauce. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn each meatball over and continue cooking over low heat for 20 minutes. Here is the list of ingredients for about 10 meatballs: 500 grams of ground meat, 3 eggs, 100 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 200 grams of breadcrumbs, a few sprigs of fresh parsley, salt and pepper, a dash of milk. For the meatball sauce, olive oil, 1 shallot, 500 grams of crushed tomatoes, salt, a few fresh basil leaves. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.